This video will demonstrate how to disassemble and connect Rexnord's 2010 KleanTop Belt. Before approaching the belt, be sure to follow your lockout-tagout procedures. Wear proper eye, ear, and hand protections, and always follow your company's and plant's safety protocols. Prior to disassembly, be sure to release any tensioners that may be holding the belt tight. Once this has been done, pull some chain slack up to the top side of the conveyor's carrieway. Hinge or TP two links to expose the connecting pin. Using a flathead screwdriver, rotate the retention tab until it clicks to the open position. Hold down the tab with the screwdriver so the pin aligns with the opening. Push through from the opposite end. Once the pin is exposed, simply pull it out to disconnect the belt. To reconnect the belt, simply align the two links in the same hinged or TP orientation. Insert the pin and push through the links. Using the screwdriver, position it under the retention tab and rotate it until it clicks back to the closed position. Reapply any tensioners used, and your belt is ready to run. The Rexnord 2010 KleanTop Belt is designed for easy maintenance without the need for pin retention plugs. For more information or documentation, please visit rexnord.com or contact Flat Top Application Engineering. Be sure to subscribe to Rexnord's YouTube channel to stay up to date on all installation, maintenance, and other Rexnord video content.